Hi guys! So today's video is going to be super quick because I'm just going to be introducing you guys to a new color brand that's out in a particular store, guys, and you guys can go get it and buy it instead of going to a salon and getting your hair done. You guys know I did a video before on hair coloring and my thoughts on hair coloring, that if you do have like a little bit of grays here or you don't want anything too complicated and you can do it at home, then you can always go buy a box color from a store and do it yourself. It saves you money. And yeah, so you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Cynthia, and if you're my loyal subscribers, welcome back. So yeah, let's get this started. Let's save you some money. Alright guys, so I was introduced to this color brand for like 3 months ago, but I had to wait to create the video. I do want to tell you guys that this is an anti-aging color. It is based for people that have grays, but you can use it if you don't have grays, guys, because I only have 2-3 grays. Yay! For 40, right? Yeah. Okay, anywho, back to you guys, not me. Yeah, it doesn't have to be that you have grays. They have 3 different categories. Did I say that word right? Okay, the first category is permanent hair color. Yeah. The second one is Demi-permanent. That is the one that I have on right now. And the third one is temporary gray coverage. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go through all 3 of them, but I only have the Demi-permanent, guys, because I was able to choose which one I wanted, which one will work for me, and Demi-permanent is the one that works for me. I don't need anything permanent because I don't have grays besides 3. Did I tell you I only had 3 grays? And then the temporary gray coverage, that's for temporary, and I don't get temporary because I only have 3. But it gives you more than just covering gray hair. It says here that it helps you with thinning, wiry textures, turning gray, dryness, and dullness. And then also says the powerful formula gives both at-home users and professional stylists unsurpassed gray coverage, delivering beautiful rich color, full of dimension and shiny. This is so true. It gets so shiny. Like, I did my hair last night and it looks so shiny. Okay guys, so the permanent hair color, it says aging beautiful permanent hair color, provide 100% gray coverage for up to 8 weeks. Even on the toughest grays, is available in 2 versatile forms: liquid cream, and which can be used with a bowl and a brush, or an applicator bottle. That I use an applicator bottle with my Demi. This is permanent, and I actually liked it because if you notice, like sometimes when you put like a color with a bottle, it's really liquidy. This one is not liquidy at all. It's a little thicker, so it helps you with the bottle. Even if you use it with the brush, if you prefer the brush, it's fine because it's not too liquidy and it's not colored all over. Okay, so it says here both forms are available in an impressive spectrum of 44 vibrant dimensional shades. That's pretty good, including 6 flash of colors shades for a tone-on-tone effect, plus a cream lighter that evenly lifts up to 8 levels of maximum lighting in one step. Then it says here, and for those serious stubborn gray hairs, Age Beautiful also offers is fierce coverage yet the ultimate coverage collection, available in 6 shades. So you have 44 shades for the permanent. I just spit. Oh, okay, did you guys see that? Okay, you can't answer me. Okay, so the permanent hair color has 44 vibrant dimensional shades, and the really stubborn gray hair, guys, they have 6 shades. These high intensity NN formula, that's so true. The NNs, you guys, I never used to like to color because that wasn't my thing. I used to like cutting and styling and of course makeup. Okay guys, but I never used to like coloring. It wasn't my thing. But I know about color, and I know that NN, it really covers your gray. Like, that is the max. Okay, so they have high intensity NN formulas, are extra pigmented, packed to knock out even the most resistant grays. That is good. I'm not kidding, guys. Like, seriously. Alright, so moving on to the Demi, the one that I have on right now. Is perfect for those who want longer lasting results than semi-permanent color, but aren't ready to commit to permanent. It's ideal for targeting first grays, uniform, blending them away for a rich, long-lasting color that lasts up to 28 shampoos. Okay. It's also great for enhancing and deepening natural color. I did that because I have, like, my natural color is really dark. It's probably darker than this. Refreshing previous color hair, yes, and touching up roots and glaze over highlights. I haven't had highlights in a long time. I have, so I don't know about that. Is ammonia free. Liquid cream formula is available in 14 shades that match the most popular permanent shades, plus a clear shade, oh I love clear, that adds brilliant shine over the natural or colored hair. This is so true. You guys can see my color, like how shiny it is. I know it's dark and I know it's really hard to tell on camera, but I shit you not, like it looks really pretty and really shiny. So okay, moving on to the temporary gray. It says here, easily conceals gray roots in a second. Ideal for masking stray grays, it rhymes, in a pinch or between salon visits. It provides temporary coverage that lasts until the next shampoo. So you put it on and then once you wash your hair it goes away. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I have to tell you guys that the company itself is amazing. Like, I talk back and forth to the young lady that contacted me, and absolutely a wonderful person. And that's nice to know. If you're buying a product and let's just say you need to contact the company, they will work with you. So if you don't know your color, I'm sure if you email them and send them a picture of you, they will help you out if you're not really 100% sure. I do suggest, again, if you are going towards a color that is really difficult, then go to the salon. Don't give yourself a heartache, okay guys? But if it's something simple that you're in your browns or you have blonde hair already but you have grays, you can go and get this color and you're good. And if you don't know what color you should get, again, contact the company. They are so freaking nice. I'm sure they won't give you any problem. You can DM them on Instagram because they're on Instagram, or you, like I said, you can email them. Such a great company. Such a great company. I'm so happy that they contact me because I really enjoyed this product. Okay guys, so where you can find this product at is only exclusive at Sally's. They are at Sally's, so you can find it there. And that's about it guys. With that said, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, I wish I could give you guys like a freaking hug. Like, I feel like meeting all you people and just giving you guys a hug. I really do. Like, why can't a company call me and say, do you want to do a meetup with people one day? What? One day? Because I'm gonna be here forever, even if you guys don't like me. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys again. Bye guys.